Okay, welcome to our first construction update on lightning rod and its transformation from topper to eye box in some areas. As you can see, we already have some topper track going in on the left rail on the turnaround, and not much in terms of topper track replacement, but we do have over here, you can see we got some eye box right there. I don't know why. Pete Owen said they were going to replace the most dynamic sections of track with iBox, but pretty sure this is like the least dynamic part of the ride. It's a little right turn into the launch. But they've also started replacing some track on the launch. Can't really see it from here. But other than that, I haven't gotten too far. It's got some new topper, some iBox. iBox looks like it's going to be colored a dark brown, so it'll match with the topper quite well because it's about the same color as the steel on the topper track. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to seeing where else this goes. I'll certainly be back later to do more construction updates, but for now this is all we got, and happy to see it. Okay, I'm kind of far away, so I had to digitally zoom here, so it's a little grainy, I know, but as you can see there, they've torn out some of the track on the launch, so I think they're going to replace some of that with iBox, maybe just do topper, I don't know. They're definitely replacing the launch, I just don't know with what track yet. If we move up the launch, you can see they have not replaced the launch pins at the top yet. There's still nothing there. But the mounts are still there, so I have a good feeling they will eventually extend the launch back up. But until then, it's about it for right here by the launch.